Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm bringing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S9 for AT&T Prepaid. So the Galaxy S9 is not here at AT&T Prepaid as a refurbished device, so this is a refurbished device. You guys know that the Galaxy S9 is 4 years old now, so this is a very old phone. It might not be worth getting or whatever. So if you guys do want to get the phone, it's available for $99.99 for 64 gigabytes of storage. It's available in midnight black there. Yeah, there's the Galaxy S9 on the front there. Very nice looking phone. You got your power button on the right side, volume keys on the left side, along with your Bixby button on the left side as well. And your front facing camera there, and your iris scanner I think over here somewhere. So pretty cool. And you got your earpiece, right here as well. So yeah. Overview says up your camera game with the Galaxy S9. Take photos like a pro day or night. Personalize emojis, shoot 4K video, and watch DirecTV on the Infinity display with Dolby Atmos surround sound. Plus, get up to 6 times more storage with a 400 gigabyte micro SD card. You will have to get your own micro SD card though, because it does not come with one. And like I said, this is a refurbished device, so you guys can read the AT&T certified pre-owned right here. So do keep in mind that this is a refurbished device, but also keep in mind as well that this is a 4-year-old phone that came out in 2018. So yeah, videos and images here. The back of the Galaxy S9 is a single rear camera flash, fingerprint sensor underneath the camera, which is a great place for the fingerprint sensor, because on the S8 it was next to the camera, so it was in an awkward position, so Samsung moved it down underneath the camera on the Galaxy S9, which I think is a good place for it. Anyways, you guys have your Samsung logo and your Galaxy S9 logo as well. Left side volume button, Bixby button, right side power key there. So yeah. Specs. Like I said, the Galaxy S9 came out in 2018, so the specs do reflect that. This is this AT&T certified pre-owned device. Shoot like a pro. The dynamic duo. Unlike what they look, so you do get facial recognition as well. Dimensions are 5.81 inches height, 2.70 inches width, and 0.33 inches depth. The Galaxy S9 weighs 5.75 ounces. The Galaxy S9 has IP68 rating for dust and mortar. Display size for the Galaxy S9 is a small one, 5.8 inches. Quad HD Super AMOLED with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. So the screen is a bit small now in 2022 standards, but in 2018, 5.8 inches was pretty decent for a flagship phone. This was a flagship phone in 2018. It has a WQHD Plus display, 2960 by 1440 pixel resolution. Camera, 12 megapixel with super speed dual pixel sensor. Up to Ultra HD, Quad HD, 30 frames. It says 4 GB. I don't know if that's an error or not. I'm not really sure about that. Video playback, 4K 60. Front facing camera, 8 megapixel camera. There's an aperture lens there. I think that this is for the front camera, and then this is the rear camera. I think the rear camera has a f2.4 aperture, and then the or hold on, I don't know what camera has what aperture lens. I have no idea. It doesn't specify what. So I'm assuming it's rear front. So the rear would have a 1.5 aperture, then the front camera would have a f2.4 aperture. I'm guessing. I could be wrong. I'm not really sure though. You do get 4K shooting options, food, panorama, pro, selective focus, auto, super, slow-mo, stickers, hyperlapse. The battery is a 3000 mAh battery. It's not removable. You say about that. The 3,000 mAh battery is laughable now in 2022. Back in 2018, the 3,000 mAh battery was decent back in the day, but now it's laughable now. Y'all guys might get okay battery life on this phone. Like I said, this is a 4-year-old phone now, so to keep that in mind. You do get 31 hours of talk time. There's your audio playback times for different settings and stuff. Standby time 3.5 days with always on display 1 and 13.6 days of standby time with the always on display off. You do get wireless charging, and you also get fast charging as well. There is no wireless power share on this phone because that was not a thing on the Galaxy S9. The Galaxy S10 was the first Samsung phone to offer the wireless power share feature. The chipset is Snapdragon 845 from Qualcomm. This is a 2018 flagship processor, so to keep it in mind. I'm sure that still holds up pretty well today, though. I'm pretty sure it does. It's an octa-core processor, 64 gigabytes of storage for 100 gigabytes of micro SD card expansion, 4 gigabytes of RAM, Android 10. On here it comes with Android 10 according to this. It might come with Android 10 when you guys get this phone. It might come with Android 10. I think it did get Android 11. I think it did get Android 11, but it's not getting updates now because this phone's old as hell. It's not getting updates now. So I think Android 11 was the last OS update for the Galaxy S9 series. Y'all guys can try to put Android 12 or 13 on here with root, but y'all guys can try to do that to make it more newer and stuff like that. But comes with Android 10, y'all guys should be able to get Android 11 on this, at least Android 11. Wireless technology, y'all guys have 5G evolution from AT&T. This is like their first 5G thing. This is not like the 5G plus that they have now. So you do get you do kind of get 5G on here, kind of. But the S9 was not a 5G phone. The Galaxy S20 5G was the first Samsung phone to have 5G on it. So yeah, this one has like their first wave of 5G on there. This is like their the 5G evolution. Kind of reminds me of the 5G nationwide from Verizon in terms of like speed and stuff like that. So y'all guys should get pretty good speeds on here. You do get 4G LTE obviously, and there's your bands there. It's a dual phone, quad band, HD voice, Wi-Fi calling, AT&T video call, Wi-Fi connectivity for the Galaxy S9 is 802.11 ABGN, AC, INR. Do bring Wi-Fi, NFC, Samsung Pay, Google Wallet, stuff like that. Y'all guys can do that on this phone. Bluetooth 5.0 mobile hotspot up to 10 devices. It takes a nano SIM card. Apps from AT&T, and there is quite a bit here. You guys have AT&T app. Select AT&T Call Protect, AT&T Device Help, AT&T Drive Mode, AT&T Hotspots, AT&T Messages, Backup and Sync, AT&T Mobile Security, AT&T Protect, which don't get it confused with the AT&T Call Protect. It's a whole different app. I know it might be confusing to some people that it has AT&T Call Protect and then the AT&T Protect app. I know that might sound confusing to some folks, but it's two different apps. Then you guys have AT&T Setup and Transfer, AT&T Smart Limits, AT&T Smart Wi-Fi, AT&T Visual Voicemail, DirecTV, which DirecTV is still around, but AT&T is not offering it as a perk with their plans anymore. So do keep it in mind. Y'all guys can get DirecTV stream on your phone. You guys can do that. Then other apps, y'all guys get Amazon, Android Pay, Google Pay now, Bixby Home, Bixby Reminder, Bixby Vision, Bixby Voice, Dual Messenger, Easy Sharing, Facebook, Samsung Browser, Samsung Health, Samsung Cloud, Samsung Dex, which I don't think it's wireless DeX on the Galaxy S9. I think you still have to buy the little accessory. I don't even know if they still even offer that accessory. I'll try to find it and have it linked down below if I can find it. But you would need it in the accessory to use the DeX feature, because I don't think the Galaxy S9 has wireless DeX. I don't think it does. I don't think it never had it. Because you had to get the accessory to use Samsung DeX on the older Galaxy phones. I think you gotta do that here. If you guys want to use Samsung DeX, you guys might have to buy the accessory for it. You guys have Samsung Galaxy apps, which is Samsung Galaxy App Store now. Samsung Galaxy Friends, Samsung Gear, Samsung Knox, Samsung Notes, Samsung Pad, Samsung Pay, Samsung Places, Samsung Smart Switch, Samsung Smart View, Samsung Plus, Secure Folder, Smart Things, and Uber. You guys would had to update all these apps on this phone, because these apps are old, 4 years old now. Some of the apps are still available today, but you guys would have to update all these apps to use them. And my AT&T is basically your account app, which lets you get fast and easy account access virtually anytime, anywhere. Web browser includes Samsung Internet Browser and Google Chrome, of course. Sensors, extra remember, ambient light, fingerprint, gyroscope, heart rate, and iris scanner, which is on the front of the phone. The Galaxy S9 and I think the Galaxy S8, the Galaxy S9, the Galaxy Note 8, and the Galaxy Note 9 had the iris scanner. And then after the Note 9, Samsung, I think, got rid of the iris scanner. I think it did. I don't think it's on the S10. I don't think so. But the iris scanner is there if you guys want to do facial recognition. You do get that on here as well. Messaging and email. Music is Google Play Music, which you guys have to update that to YouTube Music now, because Google Play Music does not longer exist. So it's YouTube Music now. Accessibility, sustainability, product codes and stuff like that. What comes in the box is your quick charging brick, USB-C cable, SIM card. I think it is USB-A to USB-C cable, so standard there. You do get a charging brick in the box, which is nice, because Samsung now are not including charging bricks in the box. They stopped doing that with the Galaxy S21 series, so you guys will have to get your own chargers with the newer Samsung phones. But with the Galaxy S9, it comes with a charger brick in the box, so that's pretty good. So yeah. So there you guys have it, the Samsung Galaxy S9. It's now here at AT&T Prepaid for $99.99. Like I said, this is a refurbished device, so to keep it in mind. I'm not even sure if it's even worth getting, because this phone was released in 2018. It's not getting no more updates, but if you guys just want like a backup phone, or if you guys want to take a trip down memory lane, here you guys go. With the Galaxy S9 from Samsung, very nice looking phone. It had pretty decent specs for what it was back in 2018. A flagship phone. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.